How to add terms and conditions to WordPress. So what you want to do is create a new page, and this page that you're going to create is going to be for the terms and conditions. So let's go with a blank page and just paste in your terms and conditions. Let's do this, delete it, do that, click save draft. So now when we go back, I'm gonna go to the pages. You're gonna click these three buttons right here next to the page that you created and click publish. Now this is gonna be added here. Then go to WooCommerce, go to the settings, advanced, and then in the terms and conditions, you're gonna find your page. Here it is, just click it and save changes. And there you go. Now when someone tries to buy something, it's gonna make them have to check if they read the terms and conditions of your website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.